Welcome. If you've been trying to embed Instagram content on your website and couldn't find the option before, good news. Instagram has rolled out a new update that finally makes this possible directly from the web version on your PC. Let me walk you through exactly how to enable website embeds step by step. First, open your browser and go to Instagram. Make sure you're logged into your account because you won't be able to access these settings otherwise. Once you're on the home page, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will pop up with several options. From there, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where all your customization options are located. Now, inside the settings menu, look for the section called Sharing and Reuse. Depending on your screen size, you might need to scroll a little to find it, but it should be clearly listed. Click into Sharing and Reuse, and you'll see a range of options related to how your content can be shared outside of Instagram. Here's the important part. Find the option labeled Website Embeds. Once you see it, simply toggle it on. When it's enabled, it usually switches color or moves to the right, depending on your interface. And that's